Hello everyone, welcome to Era Group. I'm Hannah. It's my honor to be here and give you the introduction about our HDPE products. And first of all, I would like to introduce you something about our company.
Доброе утро, дорогие гости. Добро пожаловать на наш стенд. Это Андрей из компании ERA. Сначала хотел бы представить вам информацию о нашей компании.
Yonggao is a listed company. It's the leading manufacturer in China, specialized in PVC, CPVC, PPR, PE, and PP piping systems, with an annual production capacity of 600,000 tons. Yonggao has more than 4,000 employees in 12 factories, covering 1,332,000 square meters in China, and it has equipped with 900 injection machines, 300 extrusion machines, and 12,000 molds. Yonggao reached a sales turnover of $900 million in 2019, and including export to more than 146 countries all over the world.
Группа зарегистрирована на бирже, является ведущим производителем в Китае, специализируется в системах труб из ПВХ, ППР, ХПВХ, ПЕ и ПП. Группа «Эра» с годовой производственностью 600 тысяч тонн имеет более 4000 сотрудников на 12 заводах, которые занимают 1 400 000 квадратных метров, оснащен 900 литьевыми машинами, 300 экструзионными машинами и 12 000 пресс-формами. ERA достигла товарооборота 900 000 миллионов долларов США в 2019 году. Продукция экспортируется в 146 стран мира.
Okay, now let's take a look about our company. Now let's go to the part of our HDPE products. For our HDPE products, it is widely used in the engineering maintenance, municipal pipeline construction, underground water and gas supply systems, etc. And also it has many advantages, such as high connection strength, high impact resistance at low temperature, and also it has corrosion resistance and aging resistance, etc. Just because its new construction methods such as pipe jacking, layer pipe, cracked pipe, and for places where excavation is not allowed, our HDPE pipelines are the only choice. And HDPE have frequently appeared in major projects around the world, and its safety and stability have been widely recognized.
Трубы и фитинги HDPE обладают преимуществами высокой прочности, высокой ударопрочности при низкой температуре, антикоррозии и упрочности к старению. Трубопроводы HDPE широко используются во многих областях, часто появляются в крупных проектах во всему миру. Их безопасность и надежность получили широкое признание.
Now, let's take a look about our HDPE product. me why we should choose our ERA group, I think comparing with other factories, our advantages are as followed. Please look at this PowerPoint. And you can see the 9 advantages for our ERA group. The first is the production skills of our ERA, and the second is raw material. The third is technological advantages, and the first is product. The fifth is the quality control advantages, and the sixth is research and development, and the seventh is certification, and the eighth is the package, and the ninth is the service.
Но какие преимущества эра PE трубы и фитинги имеют по сравнению с другими продукциями на рынке? В основном у нас есть 9 преимуществ.
Okay, firstly, I want to introduce you about our production skills advantages. For our HDPE pipe production, we have 16 extrusion lines, including 12 production lines over German Battenfeld Cincinnati, and we have 8 automatic pipe bag packing machines. And this annual production capacity could achieve 43,000 tons. For our HDPE fittings production, we have 150 injection machines, and its covering scales from 200 grams to 45,000 grams, and its robot and other automatic equipments. We use these equipments and we can achieve our production capacity to about 90%. And its annual capacity is 3,000 tons, so we have sufficient capacity to complete large orders from domestic and foreign market.
Но первое – это масштаб производства ERA. Для производства труб HDPE у нас есть 16 экструзионных линий, среди которых 12 линий батон, 8 автоматических упаковочных машин, 6 ультразвуковых приборов для проверки толщины стенок. Годовой объем производства более 43 тонн. Для производства фитингов HDPE у нас есть 150 литьевых машин, которые покрывают продукции от 200 граммов до 20 тысяч граммов. Роботы и другие автоматические оборудования, которые достигли 90% автоматического производства. Годовой объем производства более 3000 тонн. Имеем достаточно производственных мощностей для выполнения крупных заказов.
Now let's watch a short video about our HDPE workshop. Secondly, I would like to show you something about our raw materials. This is all the raw materials for our company's productions, and this one is the HDPE raw materials. We use the high quality raw materials supplied by Sinopec, Borealis, etc., and which are 100% certificated by international markets. And we will evaluate all the raw materials performance before selecting. And we use 100% of our PE compound materials of production, and we never add any crushed and recycled materials. And all the raw materials will be tested before storage, such as density, age, moisture, carbon black contact, molten mass flow rate, etc. And all the unqualified raw materials will be rejected. And the raw materials over 200 tons will be tested again. And the raw materials stored for more than 1 year also should be tested again. and all the raw materials will be dried before production.
Но второе – это преимущество сырья HDPE. Выбираем высококачественное сырье, предоставляемое крупными нефтехимическими компаниями в стране и за рубежом, такими как компания Sinopec, Borealis и так далее. Наша компания использует 100% специальные смесь PE100 для производства. Измелочные и вторичные материалы не добавлены. Все сырья проверяются в соответствии с стандартами и возвращаются неквалифицированные сырья. В настоящее время у нас есть 3 немецких сушилки мотан. Все сырья высушены перед производством. Время сушки установлено более 3 часа, а влажность ниже 200 ppm, который выше отечественного стандарта 300 ppm.
Okay, thirdly, I would like to show you something about technological advantages. After many years accumulation of our production and research and development experience, our Yongao has achieved the best production process standards, and the technology department will confirm the standard technology through the big production. And after the first piece is inspected to be qualified by quality control department, the workshop production process standards will be locked, and any adjustment to this standard need to be authorized. And workers have no right to adjust the process and time. And also, this helps us to ensure the stability of our production.
В-третьих, это технические преимущества. После нескольких лет производственного и научно-технического опыта я получил лучшие технологические стандарты для производства. После того, как пробное производство было подтверждено, и после прохождения первой проверки отдела контроля качества, стандарты технологического процесса и в мастерской будет заблокированы. Работники не имеют права изменять процесс, чтобы обеспечить стабильное качество продукции.
Okay, firstly, I would like to introduce you with something about our product. And for our HDPE fittings, we use the most advanced built-in hot wire welding type. And for our saddles, we use the latest types of poaching knife and the highest technology of our poaching tool. And for our HDPE pipes, for this one, we take the maximum index to ensure the safety and service time of our products. And for our HDPE pipes, the wall thickness is very important. So we ensure the wall thickness detectors to maintain the stability of the production wall thickness.
Но это в-четвертых, это преимущество продукции HDPE. Для клапана HDPE используем станок с ЧПУ для обработки шара, не круглости в пределах 30 мил. В фитинге HDPE используется самый современный тип встроенной катушки с горячей проверкой. Для труб HDPE установка толщины стенок и наружного диаметра труб. Принимаем верхний предел стандарта, чтобы обеспечить безопасность и срок службы продукции. Ультразвуковый детектор толщины для поддержания стабильности толщины стенок труб.
Okay, let's see this chart and check our quality control advantages. So you can see there are incoming quality control to the start production, first piece inspection, production process inspection, finished product inspection, and the last one is outgoing quality control. And for the first item inspection, the first piece shall be inspected by producer, mechanical, and quality inspection specialist. And after it's confirmed to qualified, then we could start the mass production. And for the process inspection, that should be randomly conducted by process inspectors every 4 hours. And for the packaging inspection, the packaging inspection shall be randomly conducted by process inspectors to supervise the quality of goods and package during the packaging process. And for the finished product inspections, it has strictly implement relevant standards, including appearance, size, melting mass flow rate, and hydrostatic test, and the whole test. And all HDPE extrusion products and valves must pass X-ray inspection to confirm that there is no inner holes and no short circuit of our hot wire, etc., to ensure that the internal extrafuse wiring is qualified.
Еще у нас есть преимущество контроля качества. Процесс контроля качества включает в себя проверку первой продукции, проверку процесса, проверку упаковки и проверку готовой продукции. Благодаря строгому контролю мы гарантируем, что качество готовой продукции соответствует стандартам, требованиям заказчика.
Okay, sixthly, let's move to our research institute. Our Yongao Research Institute has CNS accredited lab and ISO accredited lab, and it has totally covers over 6,000 square meters, and it has equipped with over 300 sets of test equipment and more than 250 researchers. It has totally invested about our $20 million for the Yongao Research Institute, and it has strongly support to the new products development and the raw material choosing and inspection, and also for the product's quality improvement and the international certificate approval, and etc.
Еще у нас есть преимущество исследования и разработка. ИАЭ научно-исследовательский институт оказывает сильную техническую поддержку. Институт имеет СНАС и АЭПМО аккредитованную лабораторию. Был достоин звания исследовательского центра государственного уровня. Площадь составляет 6000 квадратных метров. В институте более 300 комплектов испытательной оборудования и более 250 исследователей. Институт сильно поддерживает разработку новых продукций, выбор и проверку сырья, улучшение качества продукции, утверждение международных сертификаций и так далее.
Okay, please take a look about our Yongao Research Institute. Okay, now I would like to tell you something about our certification. and relying on our state-level research and development center and a strong research team, we have invested $1.5 million every year. And our Yonggang Research Institute has got the 13 international certification, including the NSF certificate and the UPC certification, the German DVGW and the TUV certification. Also, we have got the RAS and Kind Mark and watermark certification. And for our HDPE products, we have got the 3 international certifications, just as the British RAS certification and the Russian SRCU and EAC certification. And for our extrusion products, we have got the TUV certification. And you can see this is the British RAS certification. This is as known as the most difficult certification to be got in the world. And the following table list will show the test we need to do to pass the RAS certification.
Ну, у нас еще есть преимущества сертификации. Я инвестировал $1,5 миллиона США, получил всего 13 международных сертификаций, включая американские сертификации NSF и UPC, германские сертификации DVGW и TUV, британские сертификации RAS и KiteMark, русские сертификации ГОСТ, SRCU и EAC, которые охватывают 28 различных категорий продукции. Для продукции труб и фитингов HDPE мы получили 3 международные сертификации. Это британская сертификация RAS и русская сертификация SRCU и EAC.
Okay, please check the test from below. And you can see we will do the pressure test underground pipes and fittings. This is used to assemble the fittings and pipes at 2 times of the rated working pressure for 60 to 5 seconds, and the pressure between 4 to 30 bar with the tolerance of 0.5 bar. And the HDPE products should be no leak. And the next test is hydraulic test. This is above ground pipes and fittings. It is assembled fittings and pipes at 1.5 times of the rated working pressure for 60 to 5 seconds. And if the pressure between 1 to 4 bar with the tolerance of 0.2 bar. If the pressure between 4 to 30 bar with the tolerance of 0.5 bar. And our HDPE products also should be no leak. Okay, the next is the effectiveness for assembled fittings. For this test, we have 2 situations. For the first situation is for the underground uses. This is assembled fittings and pipes at 2 times of the rated working pressure for 15 minutes. And the pressure between 4 to 30 bar with the tolerance of 0.5 bar. And the HDPE products should be no leak. And the second situation is for the ground uses. This one is at the 1.5 times of the rated working pressure. It is also under the pressure for 15 minutes, and the pressure between 4 to 30 bar with a tolerance of 0.5 bar. And also the HDPE products should be no leak. The next test is the opacity test. This is the amount of light transmitted through the fittings wall should be less than or equal to 0.2%. And the next test is vacuum test. This is assembled the pipes and fittings and give a pressure with vacuum for 1 hour to 5 minutes. And also there is no enter water inside of the fittings. And lastly, I would like to tell you something about our service. Let's check this PowerPoint, and we got 5 advantages on our service advantages. The first you can see is our VIP service. The second I want to say is about 50-year warranty. And the third is our credit sales support. And the first is new product development. And the fifth is advertising support.
Еще у нас есть преимущество сервис. Посмотрите, в основном у нас есть 5 преимуществ сервиса.
Okay, the first one is our VIP service. You can see working with our area isn't just about fighting alone, it's about close cooperation between two teams. There are not only one-to-one consideration and timely service from the customer manager, whole process guidance, and overall control from the regional manager, but also the all-round communication and sharing of sales and market planning from the sales director, and all as well as full support from the technical and production team. And all the cooperation is of all the departments of the two companies, which leads both of us to the glory together.
Но первое – это VIP сервис. Сотрудничество с EIA – это не единоборство, а тесное сотрудничество между двумя компаниями. Компания обеспечивает клиентам индивидуальную поддержку, своевременное обслуживание, полное инструктирование, обмен планами продаж и рынка, а также полную поддержку технической и производственной команды. Сотрудничество является совместным сотрудничеством всех отделений двух компаний и вместе к славе.
The second I wanted to tell you is about our 50-year warranty. Our area has provided a 50-year warranty for all products, including our HDPE products. And in order to realize this commitment, our area has strictly controlled the quality of products from very beginning. Just as I mentioned before, we have the strict quality control of our raw materials. And at the same time, PICC will provide quality insurance for 50 years, and the insurance company will be responsible for settling claims caused by quality problems, so as to reduce the subjective influence of the interested parties. And therefore, if the quality problem of our area product really occurs and causes loss of life and property, the PICC will be responsible for compensation, so that our distributors no need to worry after sales, and end customers no need to worry while using. The 50-year quality assurance service could help more distributors have confidence in the quality of our products and let more and more customers be stick to our area brand.
Но второй – это 50-летняя гарантия. Компания предоставляет 50-летнюю гарантию на все продукты EIA. Чтобы выполнить это обещание, EIA строго контролирует источник качества продукции, в том числе изготовление пресс-форм строго в соответствии с международными стандартами, контроль сырья, технологий, инспекцию и так далее. В то же время Китайская народная страховая группа подписала 50-летнее страхование качества. Поэтому, если проблема с качеством продукции EIA действительно приводит к потерям, Китайская народная страховая группа будет компенсировать. Это предоставляет клиентам беспроблемное послепродажное обслуживание и помогает клиентам быть уверенным в качестве наших продукций, а также больше конечных клиентов влюбят в продукции EIA.
Okay, the third one is our credit sales support. Our has provides credit sales support for customers in more than 100 countries through the credit insurance service of Sinosure company and we provide financial support to customers with capital needs and the supports of all the aspiring distributors to make their business bigger and stronger so as to realize their life dreams together.
Третий – это поддержка кредитная продажи. Предоставляем клиентам кредитные продажи в более 100 странах через кредитные службы китайской экспортно-кредитной страховой корпорации, которая оказывает финансовую поддержку клиентам и поддерживает начинающих дилеров.
And firstly, I would like to tell you is about our new product development. Just as I mentioned before, we have invested $1.5 million every year for our research institute to development new products, so as to follow the market trends and development the best-selling new products in the various markets all over the world, and to help our customers expand their product lines and seize the market opportunities.
Четвертое – это разработка новых продукций. Компания ежегодно инвестирует $1,5 миллиона США в разработку новых продукций, в ногу с развитием рынка и стремление разрабатывать сами продаваемые продукции. Чтобы помочь клиентам расширить продукции и воспользоваться рыночными возможностями.
Okay, the last one is about advertising support. And our era has fully supported the customers' advertising work to promote the display the image of our era brand in the local market together through more media and ways such as light books, car advertisement, radio, newspaper, display board to build our era brand together with our customers.
И еще это рекламная поддержка. Компания полностью поддерживает рекламную работу клиентов и полностью с клиентами продвигает рекламу. Можем настроить рекламный план и предоставить разные рекламные материалы.
Okay, that's all today's introduction about our HDPE products and our company. I think after this introduction, you will have a better understanding of our company and the HDPE products. So please choose ERA and let's make a win-win cooperation together. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Дорогие гости, на этом представление продукции HDPE закончено. Если у вас какие-нибудь вопросы о продукциях или о сотрудничестве, пожалуйста, свяжитесь с нами. Спасибо вам за просмотр. До свидания и до завтра.
Sunshine Era. Sighting off in sunshine. Infusing the sunshine spirit into China-made products in service of urban construction and exploring industrial development. 30 years ago, the founder of Euro Group, Zhang Jianjue, started up the business with an earnest heart. Today, Euro Group has developed into a large modern well-known enterprise in the field of plastic pipe, solar photovoltaics, home electrical appliances switch, etc. It has leading-edge technologies, boasting the leader in China's plastic pipe industry. Adhering to the key value concept of be honest in the heart internally, being just from others externally, Era Electrical Appliance focuses on industry without distractions and pays hard work to heaviest recognition. The sunshine sincerity, the everlasting thickness. Era, with its high-quality products and efficient services, wins the trust and high evaluation from customers at home and abroad. Era brand plastic pipes are widely used in national key projects, the business of which covers hundreds of countries and regions in the world, which have profound impact on modern production and all aspects of life.
30多年来，公园以诚信务实为做人做事的准则，走创造创新之路，不断实现企业发展的新跨越。
Open-minded coupling. Opening up the road of development with an open mind, making coupling to link each sector and find the good way for aggregation. Era explores the road of its own in larger scale, industrialized integration development. Yunga Capital Limited is the largest core subsidiary of Era Group, which was listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in December 2011 and whose 13 wholly owned subsidiaries cover the whole nation, forming a synergistic effect. Era takes plastic pipe as its main business and builds 6 major systems with the most integrated varieties and specifications, 6 major modules, 6 major series of pipeline products, making great efforts to become China's urban and rural pipe network construction supporting service provider, integrating the photovoltaic solar energy and home electric switch product into the general home furnishing system, connecting them to form the diversified financing industrial pattern, occupying the decisive status in the industry. Era plastic pipe export volume has ranked first in China's plastic pipe industry for many continuous years, while the production and sales volume ranked second in the industry.
一家开放性的企业，必得要拥有广阔的胸襟，去容纳不同的商业形态。公园的生产基地分布在中国的不同省份，公园优质的产品和完善的服务遍布世界的各个角落。
Enthusiasm and lean production. Making enthusiasm have efficient reaction, making each sector of work manifest perfection and each link highlight quality. In the process of promoting the industrial transformation and upgrading, Era does not forget its original intention and blends its pursuit of perfection into the spirit of the enterprise, accumulating the unique ingenuity of its own.
Era adheres to lean and excellent ideas, which is especially embodied in its ultimate pursuit of details and the strict quality control to ensure that the products have an outstanding cost performance in the international market. I trust Era.
Era always runs the computation of details throughout the entire production process. It implements the total quality management of the entire personnel and the whole process to pursue zero defect of the products. Incoming inspection of each batch of raw materials is the source controlling point. The qualification of the first inspection of each batch of product is the production permit. Sampling, routine inspection, and outgoing inspection are layers of guarantee process. The mass of tests and inspections cost a remarkable quality of the Era products. Era accurately grasps the puzzle of the development of the industry, using new materials, new process, new technologies, new equipment to introduce the Internet of Things through equipment automation transformation, and to further achieve machine substitutions, building an intelligent factory. It has independently researched on and developed a set of automated production system, achieving the fully automated production and real-time control from raw materials to finished product. The strong mold R&D design and manufacturing team and the sophisticated mold manufacturing equipment provide high-grade and precise equipment support for production. ERA introduces the thought of perfection into brand promotion and product marketing through the professional brand planning, the global sales network. The tailored pipe network custom design it optimizes the service processes of the system, improves the operational security, and constantly gains new achievements and opens up a new world. Dynamic innovation. Stimulate the dynamic factor with innovation to achieve the higher possibility of success. Today, ERA is confidently striving in the wave of the fourth industrial revolution. Innovation is just like the hot sun particles that are stirring up the infinite momentum, creating a new future of intelligence. ERA invested 120 million RMB yuan to build an internationally leading, nationally first-rate Yungang Research Institute, which integrates testing, experiment, research and development as one. With a strong research and development team consisting of talents with doctorate or master's degrees and senior technical personnel as the backbone. Introducing foreign high-end testing equipment and laboratory equipment. ERA continues to challenging the nature of innovation and makes more contribution to the upgrading of the industry. According to customers' needs, it focuses on the future of the world, continues to making technology research, and actively develops new products, striving to solve the common technical problems and cutting-edge technical problems in the industry, meeting the examination of global customers and the market. ERA independently undertakes research and development of the new intelligent pipe network system and carries out equity participation in the establishment of Lister Intelligent Pipe Company Limited, positively contributing to the innovation and practice of smart city and intelligent pipe network. Building blood vessels of the city, connecting millions of nations, ERA takes innovation as the driving force and infuses wisdom elements into the city so as to provide reliable